Good morning, everyone in Canada and everywhere else in the world. It's Ara. Like always, I'm trying to show you some knitting. Today, I'm going to show you bubble stitch, purl, and knit. Then I said, look, I have to do some exercise before I start videoing. Maybe this is a good encouragement for you guys as well to become your habit. But then I said, you look awful. Then I said, let's try it. Okay, let's start and see how to knit the bubble stitch. Look. Okay, let's start. I decided to do this, the bubble stitch. We have to make this one stitch into 5. So we have to increase. The way we do it, you insert the needle, wrap around, bring it out. Then from the front, you have to insert the needle, wrap it around, bring it out. We have 2 so far. Then from the back, you insert needle, wrap around, bring it out. Now from the front, again, wrap around, bring it out. And the last one, from the back, you wrap the yarn, bring it out. See, now we created 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 stitch. Now we have to knit. You turn around, you don't stitch the first one. Now you purl the second, purl all the 4 stitches. This is the 5th. Turn around and you knit 5, but you slip the first, knit, you do another time from the back and you purl. Slip the first, purl second, purl third, fourth, and 5th. Now, this is where you need to basically make all the 5 stitches into 1. The way you have to do, you grab all the 5 stitches like this. See, I insert the needle into 5 stitches. Now you have to basically grab and put all of them into 1 stitch, and you do knit as normal. See? Now, if you want to do this type, the only difference is you start purl and then knit, purl, knit, purl. So let's do this one, this type. You insert your needle, grab the yarn, bring it out from the front. You do 1 increase. From the back, you do another increase. From the front, you do another increase. From the back, the last 5th one. Now I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 stitches. So now you need to knit, but not purl. You start with the knit. So you grab the first one, you knit the other 4. 1, 2, 3, and 4th one. Now again turn around and you have to purl this 5 stitches. You do not need the first one. You purl the second, third, fourth, and the 5th. Turn around. You knit this side. You do not knit the first, second, third, fourth, and 5th. So this side is your front work. Now you need to make all the 5 stitches into 1. So you have to grab all your stitches. See, I am inserting the needle into all 5. It's a bit difficult because you don't have a space, but I grabbed all the 5. Now, get the yarn, pull, oops, one more time. See how difficult it is? Let's try one more time. Ooh, I did it. So I have now 1 stitch like before. So I knit the rest of the stitches as normal. The back of the work is just purl. Let me purl all the way to the end, then you have a better idea how it looks like. This was that bubble stitch. This was the other one. I'm just knitting as purl all the way to the end. Let's have a look. There you go. This is your bubble stitch as knit. This is your bubble stitch as purl. Beautiful. There you go. Hey guys, hope you enjoyed the video. Please leave your comments, whatever you need to learn, let me know. I'm gonna make that video for you guys, and don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel for more tutorials. Hope you enjoyed this. Thanks for watching.